respected judges. We are your future tech engineers, Team Code for Cause, where we actual code for the real causes. Our problem statement ID is SIL 25031, given by the Ministry of Jharkhand under the theme of clean and green technology, and our project category is software. Today, we are not just here to pitch an idea, we are here with a revolution. Have you ever tried complaining about a civic issue? Just like potholes, garbage, or waterlogging? Just to hear, this is not our department, and we forward it, and the call gets disconnected. But what if I told you the story could change? We are the innovators and the creators of City Sudhar. From streets to storms, we got all it covered. One stop to smarter cities.
When we started, we defined clear aims for City Sudhar. Our core features included login and sign-up functionality, report issues through a simple photo click, tracking of reports with live status, automatic department detection using our deep learning model, guidelines regarding disasters and helpline. The next steps which we plan to complete efficiently include priority-based complaint resolution, shortest distance tracking for authorities to resolve issues faster. We are proud to say that we have implemented 60 to 70% of these features efficiently, built with Kotlin-based Android app, Fire-based real-time backend, deep learning-powered analytics. Our promised features are well on track. The major modules are already functional in our prototype. The remaining two are in progress. We are confident that we will deliver the complete solution efficiently.
Now, judges imagine if the complaint resolution time reduces by 60%, repeated complaints goes down, and the citizens start trusting the authorities again. Our solution isn't just an app, it is a symbol of India's journey towards the Digital India and 2047 Viksit Bharat's vision, where inclusivity, responsibility, technology, and the young energy creates a bigger future together. Last but not the least, City Sudhar is for the people, by the people, where it tackles problems to solution, voices to action. So, turning every report into a real change, City Sudhar is right at your place.